Hi everyone, my name is Nargis Nasreen and we are here to solve another question on SQL, and today is day 37 of solving 100 questions on SQL. So the question we are going to solve today is largest Olympics, and this question got asked in ESPN. So let's see what is the question. So the question is, find the Olympics with the highest number of unique athletes. The Olympic game is a combination of year and season and is found in the games column. Output the Olympics along with the corresponding number of athletes. The ID column uniquely identifies an athlete. Okay, so let's quickly see the table. So we have this table given here, and these are the columns. So in the ID column, we have athlete ID, okay, and then we have games column, which tells us like which game it was in an Olympic, okay. And what we have to find Olympics with the highest number of unique athletes, okay. So let's see how to solve this question. It's a very simple question. So first we are going to do what? We are going to do group by on games, because we have to find out what? We have to find out number of unique athletes in each Olympic, right? So in each Olympic, so it should be unique. So for that, we are going to do group by on games because it contains the Olympic game value, okay? And then here we are going to write on games and then count of athletes. But we need distinct count, unique count, right? Because we need highest number of unique athletes. And athletes ID is present in ID column, so I'm going to write down ID. Okay, let's name this as unique athlete. Okay, now let's run this. So this is what we are getting. That in 1900 summer, unique athlete were 42, 1904 summer, unique athletes were 34, and so on. But we need to find highest number of unique athletes. Okay, we have to find that one Olympic where the number of athletes were highest. So what we are going to do, we are going to do order by on unique athlete, because it contains the number of unique athlete in descending order. Okay, now let's run this. Okay, so we are getting this value that in 1924 summer, the unique number of athletes are 118. And we need only this row, okay? We need only that Olympic where the highest number of unique athletes were present. Okay, so we have to find that Olympic where the number of unique athletes is maximum. So for this, we are going to extract only the first row. So for that, we are going to use limit and write on 1. So it is going to give us this row. So we get this row, and this is the answer, okay? So now let's see the expected output. So yeah, it is matching. We have 1924 summer and the count is 118. Now let's submit our solution. Our solution got submitted. So this is how we have solved this problem. It's a simple question. We have to find out for each Olympic how many players were there, and out of those we have to find the Olympic where the maximum number of athletes were present. Okay, so, and that is 924 sum. Okay, so this is how we have solved this problem. Hope you understood it. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. If you have more solved into this, you can put that in the comment section. I hope you like this video. If you like it, keep liking. Do not forget to subscribe. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye-bye.